Today's harvest from my garden and some bhaji and Jamaican callaloo from the giant plant in Mummy's garden. Today I've decided to make a favorite Trini combination of dal, rice and bhaji. Stick around to see how I make this super satisfying vegan lunch.
Oh, this is nice, small one. You pick it, they'll grow more. These are the pick it. Otherwise, they'll grow too hard.
You'll need turmeric, also known as saffron in Trinidad, but not necessarily the same saffron known in the rest of the world, oil, garlic, whole jeera, also known as cumin, and hot pepper. And the main ingredient is dried yellow split peas. In a medium saucepan, add about 6 cups of water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Before cooking the split peas, inspect them carefully, remove any bad ones and any excess dirt or debris, and rinse with several changes of water. Next we'll add the split peas, turmeric, garlic, salt and hot pepper to the pot. I also add a dash of oil at this point because that's the way Mommy taught me to make it. Bring to a boil again, cover the pot and then reduce the heat to low. Cook until the split peas are tender. It usually takes about 60 minutes on my stove. After about 40 minutes, you can remove the cover from the pot and remove the hot peppers if you don't want it to be too spicy. Using a swizzle stick, an immersion blender, or a potato masher, you can start swizzling or mashing the split peas to bring it to a smoother consistency. This also helps to hasten the cooking process. I don't like it too smooth, so I normally leave a few split peas whole in there. Next, we'll add an additional layer of flavor. Here you'll need oil, whole jeera, and sliced garlic. Heat oil in a small frying pan. A callaloo, also known as a ladle, was originally used, but because of the risk of fire, I don't recommend it. Add the whole cumin. When it starts to sing and starts getting golden brown, add garlic, about 1 to 4 cloves of thinly sliced garlic according to your preference. Next, carefully add the hot oil to the boiled split peas. It's important to add the cover immediately after, but I'll show you that in the next clip. Taste and add more salt to your liking. Now that we're done preparing the dal, let's make the bhaji. To prepare the Jamaican callaloo, also known as Bhaji for Trinidadians, we'll remove the flour and any hard stems. Also look for any bugs, damaged or rotted or yellowing leaves, and discard them. Wash with several changes of water until there's no dirt at the bottom of the bowl. Next, we'll do a little more prep work. Thinly slice the onions. Slice the tomatoes in quarters. Next, cut off the stem of the okra and slice it thinly. Okra is totally optional in this dish, but I got it in my garden and I wanted to use it today. Chop the hot pepper, habanero, scotch bonnet or cherry pepper, and also slice the bell pepper. Now that the callaloo is well drained, we'll cut it into 1/2 to 1 inch pieces. You can do it thinner or thicker if you wish. Heat the oil in a large saute pan over medium heat, then add the onions, hot peppers and bell peppers, and cook for a minute or two. Next, we'll be adding a generous amount of garlic. Now is a good time to go ahead and cancel any romantic dates. Next, I'll add a minuscule amount of okra because nothing from the garden goes to waste. Cook for another minute, stirring continuously, and then we'll add our chopped spinach. Dear friends, a painter paints, a makeup artist blends, and a home cook stirs. And that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to add salt, stir it for a couple of minutes, then add the tomatoes and pimento and other peppers that I have hanging around. Cover it and allow it to steam cook for about 10 minutes. There you have it, my friends, Caribbean soul food at its best. Satisfying, mouth-watering, and comforting. Dal, freshly steamed jasmine rice, and bhaji, or whatever you call it. If you have enjoyed my video today and if you have found it useful, let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. See you soon.